You've heard a few theories saying that a black hole might be a doorway to another universe, another reality. So let's think about what could possibly happen if you fall into a black hole. This is the equation for the gravitational force. So for a black hole, you've got a huge mass here, so huge gravity of a black hole. And so is the acceleration, and this is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So when you get closer and closer to the surface of the black hole, your falling speed will increase more and more in a very short time. So at some point near the black hole, before you reaching it, your velocity might approach to the speed of light. And so this is the Lorentz transformation. The calculation will lead to the zero denominator, and your time dilation will go crazy. So the point is, thousands of years might have gone by away from the black hole, but when you're traveling at the speed, just 1 second might have gone by for you, and such a thing is possible according to the relativity theories. So you might never find out what happens when you hit the surface. So even if you make it to the black hole, you have to think about the gravity. So your body is made of flesh, blood, and stuff. So the gravitational force of a black hole is huge enough to tear apart your atomic structure and then the structure of neutrons. So finally you get crashed down into the same dense material as the black hole. So you will end up in space-time singularity. So where even time stops to exist. So you might come up with the idea of imaginary times. So when we normally say time, we're talking about the real time. So the past, the present, and the future is going along this line, real time. So at any point on this line, you can draw a perpendicular line, and that is the imaginary time. So this is the whole different kind of the past, present, and future along this line. So it is like a different kind of forever, eternity folded into a very fraction of real time. So like it's happening in a different kind of sense. But this is just something scientists used to calculate the entropy and other properties inside a black hole. For space-time singularity, you can go forward along this line. So they draw this line and they do the calculation. And only real time makes sense to us and comes out as reality to us. This is all we have. So what can I say here? What I can say here is, if you fall into a black hole, you will end up in singularity, torn apart. Literally the end of you.